insecure about what is going to happen in future. If there is something called restoration, and at the same place where is restoration is sought for, and if there is already an existing structure wherein there are maybe if it's a religious structure also, what would be the fate of that structure wherein the sentiments of those people who visit the structure would be? How the sentiments are going to be controlled if restoration is sought for? So that's the reason I had made a statement that is a very impolitely unharmonious statement that has made the minorities insecure today. If at all, why we are insecure is that nothing is made clear. A statement is made. We got to restore it where it was earlier. So tomorrow, if you have to restore it, will it be a forcible restoration, or will that restoration create disharmony in this peaceful state of Goa? People have to decide. It's not all about the minorities. The restoration which looks to be going to be very forceful in future is only going to create a rift in this brotherhood, what we live and what we have lived and what we would love to live in future.
त्यांनी मेन्शन केलं that was a conference taken by all the Hindutva event named Dharma Sant, December 17 to December 19, and त्यांनी clearly केला की बाबा will purchase the weapon and finish the Muslim community. It was a clear in the presence of the politician who was sharing the decks in that meeting. Third, the church was vandalized in the BJP ruled state. That is 150-year-old church vandalized in Karnataka. And one on the Christmas day there was one church was demolished in the Haryana also. Karnataka Bible lasele. This is going out of hand. आणि यांच्यानी young youth भी काढला की बाबा this time we have to see कि Muslim other minority community should be finished. आज हम गव्हर्नमेंटाक विचारपाक पळयता सेंट्रलाक एज वेल एज गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक बाबा तुम्ही हे वस्तूक लागून कंडेम कित्याक करना? आज बीजेपीन मायनॉरिटीचे कितले लीडर आसा आज एकट्यान बी आवाज करूं ना की बाबा हे दिस इज गोइंग अगेन्स्ट द मायनॉरिटी. आज बीजेपीन आमचे मायनॉरिटी खास करून मुस्लिम जे बॉडीज आसा ते आज ओगी आसा. आज ते कित्याक वचे आसा? अरे तुम्ही बीजेपीन असो वचत म्हणजे बीजेपी कितें रॉंग करता तेजेर कंडेम करा. तुम्ही कंडेम करना. कितें चल्ला? आणि आमचो सीएम 500 वर्सां कितें जालें ते आज तो टॉपिक काडटा. तो म्हणटा द टेंपल शूड बी रिबिल्ड विच वॉज डेमोलिश्ड बाय द पोर्तुगीज. 5 वर्सांचे पयलीं तुका कितें खबर आसा की खंय टेंपल आसा कितें आसा? ओके वी रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द रिलिजियस प्लेस.